Installing sliding doors on the balcony makes the home feel smaller. The sliding isn't smooth, and the window frames are too thick actually. It's just that you haven't chosen the right doors for your home. Change your perspective. Doors can also make your home feel larger. Presenting the Warren Slim Series Double-Track Lift Hand Slide Door. Double-track, double-sash design provides a larger daylighting area and better ventilation. The profiles are made of 6062-6 ultra-high precision primary aluminum, with a wall thickness of 2.0 to 2.2 millimeters. Standard equipped with German Technoform thermal brake strips, Jiangyin Haida weather seals, and Warren's customized lift and slide hardware system. During sliding, it can be fixed at any position according to your actual needs at home. Whether you want two spaces to be connected or independent, it can achieve both. The sliding movement feels exceptionally smooth, without shaking or jamming. Closed, it is a door. Opened, it acts as an extension of the wall. Uninterrupted views inside and out, removing a wall from your home while bringing in an expanse of light. To learn more details about this door, follow me and leave a message in the comments section.